What's up, YouTube? I am the one and only Toya Cherie, and I am here giving you guys a little taste, little insight of my trip that I just came back from a couple weeks ago from Orlando over the spring break. So I took me and my daughter, we went down to Disney World. We went to Animal Kingdom, and we had a wonderful, great time. We went on the Flight of the Banshees, which is the real reason why I wanted to go to Animal Kingdom. And let me tell you, that ride, amazing. It was worth the wait. We actually didn't wait that long, and normally that line is super long, and it was super long by the time we got off. But we got at the park like before it opened, and we got in, and we that was the first ride that we rode, so we went straight to it. So it probably took us about a whole hour and a half before we got on the ride. I said hour 45 minutes or so, but that was really good considering some people waited 3 to 4 hours. Anyways, anywho, the experience is amazing, and I have some clips of it in here for you so you can check it out. But make sure you go. This footage does it no justice, I mean, at all. The actual experience while you're there is like 4D, 5D, I don't know, because I could smell, feel, and see everything. Like, it was so interactive, it was so immersive, it was just everything. So if you're ever in Orlando and get a chance to ride that ride, I highly recommend it. We also rode the Navi river journey, and that was also an experience, and it was really cool. So the avatars, they look so real. I thought I was in Pandora. Okay, I thought I was in the rainforest, honey. Sheesh. So anyways, yeah, it was really fun, really good time. I inserted some of that footage of the Navi river journey as well, so you can check that out. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. I'm just gonna insert these little clips just to give you a little taste of our experience over at Animal Kingdom. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, please leave them down below for your girl, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to me, and make sure you go to my Instagram and follow my Insta stories because they're lit. Just letting you know. Stay tuned. I have more videos coming on the way. I'm gonna be getting them popping, so make sure you come back and check my channel periodically. All right, well, I will see you all in my next video. Holla.
Where you go, the client?
Call her back. I was trying to get the stuff.
They have done good. Wow.
They haven't let it in. I assume that's what they're doing.
Look up there! I know. I think that's what you find their avatar.
We're in line for
Pandora.
You excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's very pretty so far. All of the details are really nice. The wait time wasn't too bad because we got here early. So
We got here around 8 o'clock.
we got here like 8:30 when the park opened. So we'll see how it is when we get off, and we'll let y'all know how the ride is, the Flight of the Banshees. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye.
Ryan, look.
I'm sorry, but I got scared.
Ryan.
I forced my.
Please make sure everybody can see the screen. Once you've found your number, please make sure everybody can see the screen.
We have new drivers heading into the GMR.
Check. See them now. We have new flyers loading in.
All systems ready. Stand by.
Standing by.
Once you've found your number, please make sure everybody can see the screen. Okay, sealed genetic matching room.
Hi, and welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a Banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an Avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Navi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee
Huh? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Look around.
Everyone come together. Oh, that was quite everyone. Come on, here we go, everyone. All together. Even louder. Now this side. Now this side. Now that guy. Did you hear that? That one, can you do that again for me, please? That was amazing. Yeah, that was great. But can you go louder? Careful, I don't want you to hurt yourself. Oh, I got a good idea. Drum roll, please. Here we go. Here's your big challenge. Operatic. Oh!